So to repair a broken floor joist in a crawl space, you have to remove the joist if it's broken. If it's split, you can sister it together. What you do is you take a 2x8 or 2x10, whatever size that joist is, and you expand that 3 to 4 foot on each side of the crack. Once you have that in place, you put a jack underneath that joist and lift it up to where it's supposed to be, and then lag all that together to sister it so you have that structural stability again. Typically, when a crawl space has issues, the center beam and the footing underneath it isn't the right size to hold the weight above it. So you'll get a big belly in the center of your crawl spaces. And if that goes on too long, then the wood itself on them joists start to warp because it's starting to form to the pressure that it's designed at the moment. Once you get down there and take a look at that, depending on how far the wall is down and how damaged the main beam is, determines on how much damage the joist has running through them. If you have one damaged joist and you don't fix it, then all that pressure is transferred to the other joist, and then it doubles up, and it's a chain reaction. If you get that one joist corrected, then all that pressure is back to where it's supposed to be down those joists, and it reduces the damage of the other ones.